Now, here is Mom snoring, which she does not believe us. But we'll just take a night of listening. And it is 4:03 in the morning. Shh. Nothing, Mom.